Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install Debian Linux 13.1.0 on VMware workstation. First go to Debian Linux official website, that is debian.org. Then click on other downloads. Then click on download mirrors. Then see here, this is the latest release. See here we have the DVD USB or CD USB. I'm going to download DVD USB. Okay, click on it. See here we have the Debian 13.10 ISO image and its size is about 3.7 gigabytes. Click on to download. No need to register. Download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 3.7 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here I have already downloaded Debian Linux 13.1 DVD ISO image. Once download is completed, then open VMware workstation. Click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Click on next. Now select the installer disk image file, that is ISO. Then go to downloads directory by clicking on this browse button. Select the ISO image. Click on open. Click on next. Now select the type as Linux, version as Debian 64-bit. See the latest releases. Select the latest release from the list and click on next. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. This is just virtual machine name. Name can be anything. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Select the path where you have the enough space. Click on next. Provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on customize hardware. I want to increase memory to 4 gigabytes. Then click on close. Click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings. Or click on edit virtual machine settings. Or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide any description for this virtual machine, provide here. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is graphical install, and hit enter. Select the language and click on continue. Select your location, whatever the location that will be used for the time zone. Okay, so I'm going to select United States. If your country or location is not listed, then select other. Click on continue. Configure the keyboard key map to use. I'm going to use American English. Then click on continue. Now we have to provide the host name or computer name. Later also you can change it. I don't have any domain, so I'm going to keep it as blank and continue. Now we have to set the password for the root account. Remember this password, later we need this password. Click on continue. Now we have to create or set up user. I'm giving user full name as Artescos. Click on continue. This will be the username. If you want some other, then you can provide. Otherwise, click on continue. Then provide the password. Then click on continue. See here, all the time zones are based on US because we have selected location as United States. So select the time zone. I am going with the Eastern. Then click on continue. Partition disks. I am going to use the entire disk. Then click on continue. Select the disk and continue. All files in one partition and continue. This is just confirmation. If you want to undo changes to partitions, you have to select this one. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish partitioning and write changes to disks. Continue. Confirmation again. Select yes and continue. If you wish to scan more media, then select yes, otherwise no and continue. Use a network mirror, I don't want, so continue. I don't want to participate in user survey, so select no and continue. Now we have to select the softwares. By default, you have selected desktop environment, then Genome. If you don't want Genome, unselect it. And if you want to select like XFCE or KD Plasma, anyone you want, you can select. Then click on continue. See, now it is copying the files. Now configure the GDM3. GDM3 or Light DM, that is display manager. I am going with GDM3 only, then click on continue. If you want to install the grub bootloader to your primary drive, select yes and click on continue. Select the device and continue. See, installation is complete, so it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into new system rather than restarting the installation. Okay, so right click on this virtual machine, then settings, then go to CD DVD, device status, and select both the checkboxes. Then click on OK. Then click on continue. Click on username and provide the password. Skip. Now open terminal. Now increase the font size. mouse/etc os-release. See here we have installed version 13.1. Okay, the first step after connecting to Debian Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update. See, this user is not in sudo's files. Switch to root account. Provide the password that we have set for root account. Apt update. See, this is the expected error. Now open Firefox. Copy this error. Go to NetApp, paste it, hit enter. Then we have to go to etc apt source.list file. Click on this link. We have to add 5 lines. Copy it. Go to terminal. Go to etc apt ls. See here we have the source.list file. Sudo or vi or nano, whatever the editor that you are familiar, you can use it. Comment the first one, press I to insert mode, hash symbol, escape, hit A, hit enter, paste those lines, save the file, double Q, exclamation. Now update the packages, apt update, hit enter. See, this time we haven't received any error. Okay, now verify the IP of the machine, ifconfig. ifconfig not found, you can give IP addr. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Debian Linux 13.1 on VMware workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.